Hello everybody. I have a standing seam copper roof over this porch. I'm standing at the street and you really can't see the top surface of the copper roof, so appearance is really not that critical. It's 20 years old, but I have a leak. So there you see the edge of the copper roof. And when I go onto my porch here, you can see the discoloration that's going on. It was actually flaking the varnish. I scraped all the flaking off, and then I've made a repair to the roof. I made that repair in the fall. It's now the spring, and that repair has completely worked. I'm now going to restain this now that I know that my repair worked. The main purpose of this video is to show you how I fixed the leak on that copper roof. And once I got up on the roof to inspect it, I noticed that the standing seam was bent over. I couldn't find any punctures in the copper, but that standing seam was bent over, and my assumption is the painters, when they were up here, stepped on the seam and caused some kind of damage to it. So here's how I solved it. I grabbed some this stuff, Henry Extreme Rubberized Wet Patch Roof Leak Repair. And I put some masking tape down on both sides of that seam. And then I went ahead and applied that roof patch to the seam on both sides, and then peeled off the masking tape. I did that repair in the fall, and so this copper roof has a lot of snow and ice sitting on it in the winter time. It did not leak at all during the winter. This repair has been on there for about 8 months, and it is working perfectly. So my fear of having to replace this copper roof, which would have been wickedly expensive given the cost of copper and labor, was solved by just using this wet patch. It's not visible from the street. You really can't see the top of this roof, and because the roof is weathered and the copper is weathered, that black roof patch doesn't look that much more different than the other standing seams up here. I've seen a lot of roofs in the area being replaced, and it looks like an expensive process. If you found this video helpful or informative, how about a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.